Bowling review for the final, frame 3. Frame 3, lot less work than frame 1 and 2. We are going to do exponents. Rule number 1, when multiplying, add exponents. Pause it if you need to write these down. When dividing, subtract exponents. If you have a power of a power, you should multiply exponents. Now I shortened these rules up a little bit. You got to remind yourselves what to do with the base. Keep the base each time. When do you power the base? When don't you power the base? We'll start with number 1 over here. We did this by commutative property and associative property. Put together anything that is alike. 4 times 3. Those are integers. They belong together. Put the x to the 4th times the x. Those belong together. When multiplying, add exponents, but only the exponents. This is multiplying integers. 12 is the answer to 4 times 3. When multiplying, add exponents. You have 4 there, but you have 1 right there that you would never write down, which means you have 5 exponents. 12x to the 5th is your answer. Moving on, when dividing, subtract exponents. Little associative property again. X to the 10th, x to the 7th. Let's separate those out from the y's. Let's do each one separately. When dividing, keep the base, subtract the exponents. 10 minus 7 is 3. When dividing, keep the base, subtract the exponents. 6 minus 2 is 4. Since these bases are not the same, you don't combine. There's no multiplication there. That is your final answer. And then finally, on the power of a power, be careful. Make sure you know what is being powered and what's not being powered. This 3 isn't being powered. It's outside of the parentheses. Leave it out. The 2 is being powered, so let's separate. 2 is being powered because it's in the parentheses. So is x squared. X squared is also being powered. What operation do you perform when there is no sign? You perform multiplication. According to order of operations, 2 to the 3rd power gets done first. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 3 times 8 is 24. Take care of the whole numbers. That's the math that you're used to. Over here you now have power of a power. Power of a power, multiply exponents. 2 times 3 is 6. How do you know there's 6 of them? Because it says you have 2 of them, x squared, 3 times. If you have x squared 3 times, you have 2, 4, 6 exponents. That concludes frame 3. Try it.